A radiator leak may seem small at first, but it can quickly hinder performance in other components of your car's engine. Radiator stop leaks, also known as radiator sealant, fill in cracks and scratches in your radiator to fix minor damage and protect your car from future wear and tear. Available in a variety of liquid, pellet, and powder forms, stop leak products are designed to be poured into your radiator where they circulate with your coolant to seal leaks. Additionally, most offer lubrication protection for your water pump and seals. 1. Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak. Bars Leaks Liquid Aluminum Radiator Sealant repairs gasket and heater core leaks using its extreme cool formula. It lowers the water temperature in a car's coolant system to create a safe environment for your radiator to function properly. This stop leak also blocks freeze plug leaks and is safe to use with both silicate and non-silicate antifreeze of any color. While other stop leaks can take hours to work, the liquid aluminum shows results within 20 minutes of use and can be reapplied as necessary without damaging your radiator. 2. Alumaseal Radiator Stop Leak Powder. One of the oldest radiator stop leaks on the market, Alumaseal powder has been used in the automotive repair world for over 75 years. It can seal radiator cracks and lubricate water pumping systems to improve cooling performance. Alumaseal powder works with all varieties of antifreeze. It's not very effective against large leaks but works well against pinhole-sized holes and breaks. This powder has also been known to cause more clogs when overused compared to other radiator stop leak products. 3. K-Seal Multipurpose One-Stop Permanent Coolant Leak Repair. If you don't have an oil-based radiator, you need a stop leak that works with antifreeze, and this K-Seal is the best option on the market for these systems. No draining or flushing is required. You just pour it in the radiator or overflow and run your engine. The formula works with all types of antifreeze, and can seal leaks up to 1/32 of an inch when cured. 4. Blue Devil Radiator and Block Sealer. The Blue Devil Radiator and Block Sealer is one of the best stop leaks out there for a permanent repair to your radiator. It comes with a safe and easy-to-use design that is in liquid form. Made with a special formula that does not contain any solids or fibrous material, this stop leak guarantees not to clog or harm your radiator, which is amazing. Plus, whether your radiator is made of plastic, metal or aluminum, this stop leak is designed to work with it just as well. 5. Bars Leaks HDC Radiator Stop Leak Tablet. Bars Leaks HDC Radiator Stop Leak Tablets can be added directly to a radiator or mixed with warm water before installing for a clean fix within 15 to 20 minutes. Its formula is designed to inhibit rust and corrosion to prevent future cracks from forming. Plus, it conditions the cooling system to work more effectively. 6. Bars Leaks Cooling System Repair. This temporary radiator stop leak is great if you want to buy yourself some time. You can plug up holes and cracks while you save up for your mechanic's bill. Another benefit is it could reduce overheating. The formula includes cooling additives. This will enhance heat transfer in your cooling system, combating overheating.